so rotted. Years of paint first, then I get years of paint. This one. Now's when you want to pray.
Cut that on all and move out home.
No, that shit don't work. Oh my god, this thing. Alright, give me the other wrench. Yeah.
Sorry. You're just gonna put a nipple on it for now?
Let's see what I got in the bag of tricks. Okay, get the paint first. Okay, we got the paint. Okay, we got the paint. Now we can. This is not being video recording. Okay.
That's the only way to keep the light on.
Oh, it's video recording?
Yeah.
I'd like to make a shout out to all my boys up in Brooklyn. Oh, this way. Right. Go away, you fucking little crazy. All you people watching how to learn to do plumbing, when you see this shit, just run away.
Someone 101, what not to have in the house.
Okay. Oh. Okay.
So that's where it was leaking from?
No, it was actually leaking. If you could see when it was rotted, see the threads broke off?
Mm-hmm.
It's either clean threads and the rusted through threads.
Mm-hmm.
It was just dripping out of there. So what we're going to do is we're going to go in the baggage.
That's the bag of tricks.
Brass plug.
Teflon tape.
I use Teflon tape.
What the plumber shirt does?
No.
Oh, you use some blue block.
You got some, actually I'll use my sleeve. I'm touching any cloth in here. Keep some light. Because the D-block, it seals it up. It's a little bit better.
And the shower stem that's spinning, the stem is broken, right? Simple yes or no. Or the stem is bent. You need to get a Bluetooth.
what's up? Nothing, just fixing a pipe. Can I call you right back? What time are you actually going to get home from the train station? Oh, okay. Alright. Okay, I'll call you back in a little bit. Bye. I'm going to tell him is the whole pipe has to be changed. We can't change it right now. So you just put a cap on it so it doesn't leak anymore. No, you need new faucet and everything. Yeah. Need a new bathroom. You need to burn the house down. But that's not my business. Alright, put the light on this. Let it dry for a little bit. No, turn it on. Turn it on. You got your cell? Yes. Alright, turn it on. Yeah.